You are entering Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese practice that utilizes scientific calculations to determine the optimal distribution of energy, also known as Qi. It is a relatively simple way to improve the atmosphere of your space, and the goal of Feng Shui is to bring good Qi into your home so that your life feels both energized and balanced. This can be accomplished by arranging your furniture in certain ways. There are general guidelines to follow, but the calculations really depend on the space that you have. Welcome to Aim High, where we share unique techniques and tricks to make positive changes to your life on a weekly basis. Consider subscribing to not miss future videos just like this one. Commanding positions. The commanding positions are considered to be one of the most important principles in Feng Shui. These are the placements of various significant pieces of furniture, such as your bed, which is a representation of you, your desk, which is a representation of your career, and your stove, which is a representation of your financial situation and health. Even though you might not be able to relocate your stove, it should not be too difficult for you to rearrange your bedroom furniture and workstation so that they are more convenient for you. When utilizing these items, the most important thing is to ensure that you can see the door from wherever you are. You shouldn't be sitting with your back to the door, but you also shouldn't be directly in front of it either. All of this works together to ensure that you are able to take in the most beneficial positive energy possible. Vertical shapes. Incorporating some vertical lines and shapes into the design of your home is symbolic of progress and development. There are many different routes you can take to accomplish this goal. Include some lighting in the area where it gets brighter as it goes up. To give the impression that the room is taller, place a plant in one of the corners. Install some tall bookcases if there is space available in the room. Utilize the constraints you have in order to create the impression of greater height. Tidy up. Having an excessive amount of clutter around is likely not going to do your mental clarity any favors, let alone the design scheme you have in mind for your interior space. It is believed in Feng Shui that having a lot of clutter takes up valuable space, which new incoming energy requires. We strongly suggest that you make it a daily routine to clean up your working space. It will not only make you feel less stressed out, but it will also create a sense of order in times when everything seems to be falling apart. In addition to this, you will begin each day with a fresh slate, which should help you become more productive. If you take the time to clean your windows, which are often referred to as the eyes of the house, you may notice a significant increase in the amount of positive energy that enters your home. Ensure that your home receives the appropriate amount of sunlight. Keeping the entryway tidy. When you enter your home for the first time, the area that greets you as you open the door is one of the most important spots, and you should always make sure to keep it clean and organized. According to Feng Shui, the entryway to your home is symbolic of the way energy enters both your life and your home. Get rid of things that aren't necessary. Clear away the cobwebs and do some dusting. Put some plants and artwork in the space if you have the room for it. Make an effort to incorporate a shoe rack, hooks for hanging coats, and storage for raincoats and umbrellas into the design. Because they contain the energy of the world that lies beyond your front door, it is essential that all of these things have a specific location in which they can feel at ease. You should do everything in your power to make the area look and feel inviting. Make room for travel. Your home's most traveled paths should be clear of any obstacles that could cause someone to trip. Routes such as the one leading from the living room to the kitchen or from the bedroom to the bathroom. Consider the routes that you take while navigating your space and attempt to keep those routes as unobstructed as you can. If this motivates a significant rearrangement, then it is probably required. It is essential to remove any obstructions from your path and make your flow as easy as it can possibly be. In Feng Shui, efficiency is the most important thing. When designing your home, having the rules and regulations of Feng Shui in mind can help you create the space and balance you need to better your life. By following principles such as commanding positions, incorporating vertical shapes, keeping your space tidy, having a well-organized entryway, and making room for travel, you can improve the flow of positive energy in your home and life. While these guidelines can seem simple, they can have a significant impact on your mental and physical well-being. Whether you're looking to create a more peaceful and harmonious living environment, or you simply want to try something new, Feng Shui offers a unique approach to home design that can be tailored to your individual needs and space. If you have tried Feng Shui or are interested in trying it, let us know in the comments below. Consider liking and subscribing for more videos just like this one.